down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you so much for clicking this video. So today I'll be reviewing this Rihanna wig from Geniuswigs. I'll put the details for this wig in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, you can go check it out for yourself. So this is the hair. It's 20 inches and the density is 150. It has 4 combs and a removable band. Like this was just a plus for this wig. And then it also has this extra band just in case you want to stitch it on your cap. You can as well do that. And then it has this gift and caps, 2 caps that I rarely use, and a comb. I tried it on and this is how it looks without doing anything. It came pre-plucked and then also already bleached. Like this hair is very soft, and I also love the curls, even though I combed the curls out, which I wish I hadn't done that because the curls were so gorgeous and beautiful. As you can see, the hairline is so natural, like you don't have to do so much on it because it's already pre-plucked for you. You can as well put this hair in a ponytail.
But you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bottom below. You said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you.
I loved the deep curls, but then after I brushed it, I loved it more because it became fuller. So if you want to maintain the deep curls, you can just use an afro comb and don't brush it. Just don't brush it if you want to maintain the deep curls.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain.
I decided to braid the hair. I wanted the braids to be in the middle of the cap, but then I realized after I removed it from the mannequin that the braids are on the side. So we'll just work with that. And as you can see, the knots are already bleached, but then I didn't feel like it blends so well with my complexion. So I decided to apply concealer just to make it, blend with my complexion.
Lose your mind from endless praise. Some things never change, never change. Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless praise.
So I'm just impressed with how full this hair is and how soft it is, and also the curls are just gorgeous. Then this hair can also be good for a beginner because it came pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached for you, so you don't have to do so much on it, and the hairline is also natural. And I'll just let you watch different ways in which you can style this hair. You can as well put it in a ponytail, like you can just play with this hair. And remember guys, all the details for this wig are in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, please check the description box down below, and I'll let you watch guys different ways in which you can style this wig.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest day. The summer's calling.
So those are the few ways you can style this wig. And guys, if you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video guys. Love you. Mwah. Bye.